Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I will show you how to deactivate or delete your Facebook Messenger account on Android. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. So in your Facebook Messenger account, tap on your profile and then go to Account Settings. Scroll down and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation and Deletion. But in order to delete your Facebook Messenger account, you need to permanently delete your Facebook account. Now tap on Continue to Facebook Account Deactivation and Deletion. Click on Delete Account and then Continue Account Deletion. Again, tap Continue to Account Deletion. Choose one reason why you want to delete your account and then tap Continue. Tap on Continue again. Finally, tap on Deactivate My Account. So it will say account deactivation was successful. Once done, let's go back to our Messenger app. Now tap on your profile at the upper left and then go to Account Settings. Then tap on your Delete Your Account and Information. So you need to enter your password to continue, then just click Submit. Now your account has been deactivated from the site and will be permanently deleted within 30 days. So if you like more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching. Until next time, bye for now.